SavageGPT AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Whether you're an entrepreneur, digital marketer, or someone just starting to explore AI, you'll want to stick around to get the full picture of what SavageGPT can do. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of why this AI tool might be the next game changer for your business. Oh, and you can try SavageGPT for free with the first link in the description below. Now let's get into it. SavageGPT is an advanced AI software that's built for those who want both cutting-edge features and a seamless experience. The first thing that stands out is its ability to generate incredibly accurate and contextually relevant content at lightning speed. This AI doesn't just churn out basic information, it analyzes your input deeply and produces content that feels as if it were written by a human with real-world expertise. It's ideal for content creators, marketers, and even businesses looking to streamline their communication processes. One of the strongest features is SavageGPT's ability to create high-quality, SEO-optimized content. If you're trying to drive traffic or improve your search rankings, this is a big win. The AI takes into account trending keywords, audience engagement, and even content structure that works best for SEO. This means less time spent researching and more time spent on actual growth. Another major benefit is the software's ease of use. Unlike other complex AI tools that require a steep learning curve, SavageGPT has a simple, intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced digital marketer, you'll appreciate the user-friendly design. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants to save time and energy while still producing top-tier content. But let's talk about customization. This is where SavageGPT really shines. You can tweak its settings to match your brand voice, tone, and style. Whether you're creating blog posts, emails, or even social media updates, the AI adapts to fit your unique style. This level of personalization is something many AI tools fail to deliver, and it sets SavageGPT apart. Next, it supports multiple languages, which is a game changer for businesses with an international audience. With global reach becoming more important than ever, having an AI that can work across languages and cultures is a huge advantage. Whether you're targeting markets in the US, Europe, or Asia, SavageGPT handles translations and localization like a pro. Another reason you'll want to pay attention to this AI tool is its speed. As anyone in digital marketing knows, time is money. SavageGPT is designed to produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. This allows you to scale your efforts quickly, creating more content without sacrificing quality. Finally, let's talk about pricing. For all the features and power it offers, SavageGPT is surprisingly affordable. And with the free trial link below, you can give it a spin without any risk. If you're skeptical, this is the perfect opportunity to test it out and see for yourself how it can revolutionize your content creation and digital marketing strategy. In conclusion, SavageGPT AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to level up their content game. Whether you're just getting started with AI or you've been using other tools, this one stands out with its customization, ease of use, speed, and affordability. I've tried thousands of AI software solutions, and SavageGPT definitely holds its own among the best. If you want to give SavageGPT a try for free, make sure to check out the link in the description below. I've also listed my top recommended AI software options for you to explore, so make sure to take advantage of those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.